Hi guys, how you doing? In this video, I like to talk about some of the insurance companies. We're gonna go through Tryg, Gjensidige, if and DNB's insurance. So, as you've seen in the previous video, Tryg, if you're a member of NITO union, you have discount at Tryg. If you're a member of Tekna, you have discount at Gjensidige. So let's see how it goes, and we again gonna translate back to English. So if you are like a private person, or if you have a company and you want to secure, like buy health insurance or some other type of insurance for your employees, you can just go through the company page. Otherwise, let's stick to private and personal. The insurances that Trig offers is for car, child insurance, dog insurance. What else? Household, housing and household goods, life and health, travel and leisure, animal, boat, legal aid, and vehicle. So let's see vehicle. They have for cars. I'm not sure what mobile is, but car insurance, tractor insurance, electric car insurance, moped insurance, veteran vehicle insurance, MC insurance, camping wagon insurance, snow, the cars that blow snow away insurance. Um, not sure what that is, but it's kind of a L Parker bicycle insurance, electrical cycle something insurance. Uh, Something about Earth car insurance, like field kind of. Maybe it's a digging car. I don't know. I'm not sure about the other one. So depending on the type of your car, or if you want to insurance your moped or something, insure your moped, you can go for it. So let's go for an electric car to see what they have. I'm not sure if we can see the price without actually entering the license plate number. But let's see what they have. We now extended the rental car cover for electric bill extra from 31 to 60 days. We have increased the starting bonus to 60%. It's gonna cover theft and damage to the charging cable, electric rental car for up to 60 days, and parking damage without bonus loss. Um, the things that they offer is the responsibility insurance, part Casco, and an electric car extra. And these are what is covered in the type of insurance that you buy. And the best car insurance for based on Trig information is the electric car insurance, which covers all of it. And that includes damage to people and other people's things, legal aid, fire, theft and glass, roadside assistant, car assistant at home, damage to your car, fixed accessories, rental car in case of hull damage and natural disaster, parking damage without bonus loss, luggage, damage or lost car key, starting rent for leasing car, damage to or theft of the charging cable. This is optional. Machine damage, driver and passenger accident. These are optional. You can check the price and buy. And what else that are specifically for electric cars is the roadside assistant, fire and theft, and rental. Then you can report damage to vehicle here, and if you need legal access, you can click here. You get up to 75% bonus on car number 2. That's good if you're planning on buying another car. These are the frequently asked questions about car insurance. They have it. If you change the tab, you can get the other type of question. So this one is like who can kind of use the electric car insurance. Who is it for? What happens if I'm not really sure, but you got the whole point of what it is. Let's see if we can see any prices. Hopefully, otherwise You might have to enter the license plate, or here, yes, it asks you to kind of verify with your bank ID. We haven't talked about bank ID, but bank ID is kind of like a method of identification. So every person has a specific number. It's like your identification number, which is connected you to your phone number, and you can either use it, uh, use your phone, or use the app for it to identify yourself, and then it gives you access to continue to the page. Most of the Almost all of the websites in Norway has it. So if you need to transfer money and stuff, you use the bank ID. So this is what we have for car insurance. You can also report damage, and this is to talk to customer service. You can also see for house. Maybe you want to check the travel insurance. Let's see. So travel insurance, can we see? Don't think we can really see, but the travel insurance, they have travel, and they have travel extra. This is their best travel insurance. Rise Extra applies to trips with and without accommodation, and covers trip to up to 70 days. And they include, for example, expense in case of illness and transport to home. This is unlimited travel interruption, missed travel days. For just the simple travel package, you get up to 1,000 NOK per day per person, maximum 20 NOK per person. And for the travel extra, it's like no total maximum amount, and the maximum is 1,500 per person. Cancellation policy, you get back 20,000. For extra is unlimited. Delay in the itinerary is limited coverage, it's extended. Delay luggage up to 2,000 per person, up to 5,000. Emergency help within 24 hours, the same for both legal aid and private liability outside the Nordic countries, up to 4 million, and for extra up to 15 million. Theft or damage to luggage and belonging, up to 20,000 NOK in total. The other one is unlimited. And loss of hotel accommodation, event and rental car, with extra, you get for hotel and event up to 5,000, for rental car up to 8,000. Deductible rental car, it's unlimited with extra. Safe medical assistance applies only on journeys in the extra package. And again, you can see the check price if you verify yourself. This is for travel. Maybe you also want to check the house. Can we see all of them? Okay, unfortunately, it doesn't translate it. So I think this is when you are renting out. This is for the house. I'm not sure what this is. This is like if you have a cabin and a leisure house. I don't know what that is. This is if you have a drone insurance. You want to get a drone insurance. It's hurt animal insurance. And young people, if you are below 34 and want to buy an insurance, maybe we want to check this out, and we want to check this out. So for young people, for young people, the insurance package, it's between 18 and 34. Unique to insurance is the bankruptcy. It has a bankruptcy guarantee, no-go compensation, and psychologist first aid. It covers costs for doctors, hospital treatment, and medicine while traveling. I'm not sure. Yes, it's for young people. So, return home if you or someone in your family falls ill, the airline goes bankrupt, or the country you're traveling to is hit by a disaster. It has cancellation insurance, bankruptcy guarantee. If the travel company goes bankrupt, the insurance covers additional expense for the return journey and accommodation up to 20,000 per insured. Compensation if luggage is lost or delayed. Accommodation if the flight is delayed. They have accidental insurance, treatment expenses after an accident, including dentist. No-go compensation, one-off compensation of up to 5,000 NOK per claim in case of fracture injuries, payment of 500,000 NOK in case of disability, and 10 hours of psychological first aid after an accident. Additional covers for more travel is to travel and accident covered journey that lasts up to 45 days. More travel and coverages is extended to cover trips lasting to 90 days. And for sport, more sports is additional cover for who travel with valuable sport equipment. The insurance includes higher compensation for sport equipment and rental of sport equipment if your own is delayed on a journey with up to 50,000 NOx per insured person. You can again check to see what they offer. And here is for the living stuff: content insurance, legal aid insurance. Um, this is in the event of fire, water, natural damage, theft, and vandalism. Expenses for stay away from home in connection with damage, theft of a bicycle outside of property up to 5,000. And then more, you can see the full term of what they kind of need in return, like what happens and when they cover. Now for house, if you want to read more, they again have two packages: house insurance and house insurance extra, and what they cover. So apparently the only difference is for garden and outdoor swimming pool. If you only have the house, they cover up to 500,000, and the other one is unlimited. And climate friendly measure of restoration, the simple one is 25,000, the other one is 50,000. Then the same for almost everything, but the another different part is here, where extra covers damage caused by water penetration through the roof and walls, extended coverage for wet rooms, damage caused by workmanship error, damage caused by animal, puncture of window, adaptation of wheelchair user after an accident. And you can see the again more information if you log in. Not log in. If you enter your, if you verify your verify your ID, then benefit and collective discount. It says if you collect several insurance policies with Tryg, you can get up to 20% discount on many other benefits. Like you get Tryg Bully Help, building advice and access to our tradesman network. Omsorg, from a professional interlocutor when life is difficult. Secure ID if you suspect or experience ID theft. You can check the houses. Let's try the luck and see if we can really check. No, you need to verify. And you can ask for legal help if something has happened or you need to report a damage. Now, Gjensidige offer also the same thing, but based on kind of what I've seen when I verified myself, I can say that Gjensidige is cheaper than Tryg. But again, it's based on what you want from your insurance and which one you prefer. So Gjensidige, it's insurance, pension, fund saving, and customer service. So they have fund saving. I don't think they own in Tryg. They have only insurance, report damage, and customer service. Gjensidige has pension and fund saving. So this is extra. Report damages here. You can see what your car insurance covers if you log in. You can check the price and buy insurance for your based on what you want, and you can get up to 18% discount if from your first 10% discount from your first purchase, up to 18 discount if you combine multiple policies. And what else we have? We have the Norway's most satisfied insurance customers. Home insurance within a 24-hour home alarm. If you're already a customer, if you need to report damage, loss, or illness, follow the link, log in, go get an overview, and make changes. Information about avtale, Jirgo, and payment. They automatically deduct the amount every month from your bank account. If you need to be aware of the fraud attempts and customer service, if you need to calculate pension, you can get there. It's smart to save a little extra for retirement. Get advice on insurance. You can call them or ask them to call you if you need like a specific time. And let's see, maybe you want to see something about fund saving. Start saving in fund accounts. What you get from Gjensidige is simple overview, mobile app, and return. A good return is important. They have competitive returns and are in top tier in many of the industry's ranking. They offer two different schemes for private saving in funds: fund account and IPS. IPS, a good option for you who want to save for a pension, can tie up the money until you are 62 and want tax benefits. Fund account, flexible saving in funds, can freely switch between funds and profits throughout the saving period without triggering tax on return along the way. Seems like a good deal. And here you can read more about the interest rates, save in funds for kids, in troubled times, and you can see the fund list. Let's see. We can see the fund list. Finally, something that we can see. So, fund committee, an IPS, individual pension. You can see an overview of what's going on, and you can also see the return for so far this year, 1 year, in 3 years, 5 years, and 10 years. You can see the information you are looking for. And here, if you like to see it in the chart wise, like the risk that they have, the sustainability, cost, and return, you can see the fund. And for example, DNB Miljo Invest A, it's an equity fund. They have kind of high sustainability and also high risk. So they give you kind of an overview of what's going on. In return, also, this is how it is on the first day to 10 years, how it's going to be. Distribution, risk, sustainability, and documents, what you need to download. So this is the part that is different from Tryg. And also from pension, if you need to see your pension saving from employer, retirement, pension calculators, tips and advice, IPS, pension payment, moving pension agreement and stuff, you can just check. Again, it's a good thing to check the app if you have it. And save as much as you want. In fund account, withdraw the money when you want from the fund account. Switch funds without triggering tax from both of the accounts. Deferred tax until payment, again from both of the accounts, and tax advantage only from IPS. Okay, with IPS you get a tax benefit of up to 3,300 NOK. What about the pension calculator? Yes, it will ask you to verify. Okay. Now, what else we want to check? Car insurance is the same. It's the same as kind of, you have the plus, you have the insurance, you have partly the Costco, you have the responsibility. So you can see what they offer for the insurances. And if you don't want to lose bonus, kind of, if you hit a car when it's parked or something, you can check the prices and buy the insurance. But again, you need to log in. And if you are a member of Tekna or YS, or if you get deductible benefits, you pay less. The excess is the sum you have to pay yourself if you report a claim. The standard deductible for damage to your car is 8,000 NOx. If you buy Costco or Plus, you can choose the deductible yourself. Like how much of the accident damage you want to pay, kinda, or if an accident happens, how much you are willing to pay. So based on the amount that you choose, your monthly payment is gonna differ. So if you are a member of DNT or NOF, you have at least three insurance policies, and have at least three insurance policies, you again get deductible benefits. And many people wonder about bonuses, mileage. If you need more info about these, you can follow the link and read more. Youth agreement, get reimbursement up to 10,000. But this is if you are below 23 years of old, you get the reimbursement. I'm not sure what that is, but you can check if it is. It says practice driving app automatically counts how far you drive. When you have practiced driven 2,000 kilometers, you get cheaper car insurance. You can also drive cars that have a discount because all drivers are over 23 without car owners losing the discount. You can see the terms about partial insurance helmet. I'm not sure what helmet is. Maybe it's just Costco. Yeah, Costco plus partially Costco and responsibility kind of insurance, the cheapest. You can download the general condition and product sheet, and you can give them feedback. You can talk to them. What else they have? Do you want to check home insurance? It's the same again. You just choose your insurance company and deal with it. Like go through it. So far, as I said, Gjensidige is cheapest. Then I feel like If is the second cheapest. Then Tryg, and I do not recommend DNB for insurance because it's kind of, for me, in my situation, it asks the double amount of what I pay for Gjensidige. But again, up to you. So here you can change the language, insurance claims in case of an accident, or if it's like a health insurance case, you can view your case, and customer service. They're super useful. You can talk to them, customer service, if you need to insure car, home content. Same as the rest of the two insurances that we saw. You can see what they offer and what they have. So it's generally the same thing that they have as the rest of them. The only difference is the price. And here the minimum 60% starting bonus. Regardless of which insurance plan you choose, you always receive a minimum 60% starting bonus. The bonus is a discount you are awarded for every incident-free year. You can call them. And then again, DNB. DNB is a bank. We can talk about banks in our next videos. If you want, just write in the comments. I will make a video. Be interactive. We can have many more good videos if you like. Just let me know in the comments. And then here's about the personal insurance. What they offer, like family financial security, health insurance for you and your family, child insurance, treatment insurance, critical insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, accident insurance. You can contact them. Future insurance, housing and household, animals, car and vehicle, travel. Let's see, travel. Okay. Insure yourself and your belonging. Can we see? Ask you to enter your ID number. The thing is, if you do this, it's there's a 90% possibility that you will get a call from them, like from their sales service, to see if you are willing to buy the insurance. So it's not just like you can browse and see. Just consider this possibility that you will receive a call from them to follow up. So you can see as the rest of the websites, if you need help, contact them, what they have and what they offer, and you can check the price. You just need to log in. So what's this one? It doesn't show. Let's just check what it is. Content insurance. That's good to know. One more word. This covers your household content, and you can check the price. Personal travel, report damage, house, car, and if you need more info, call them. They will support you. I think this is all I have. So far we got to know more info about Tryg, Gjensidige, if, and DNB's insurance. Let me know in the comment what you want to know more about, and I will make the video. Looking forward to your interaction. Stay tuned and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.